Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've got no makeup on my face at all right now, just moisturizer, and that's because it's time for BOXYCHARM. So this is the July box. So the theme for this month is Road Trippin'. The first item is kind of like an under eye product. So this is the Dr. Brandt Needles No More, No More Baggage. It says, say goodbye to puffy and say hello to youthful rested looking eyes with Dr. Brandt's No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. So this just says, after your eye moisturizer, warm a tiny amount between fingers and gently pat directly on bags and dark circles. Use alone or under makeup. Let's see. Warm it between my fingers. It gets quite liquidy. I don't think you're going to notice anything with this first application. I think this is just going to be something that I have to use often to see a difference. I do have dark circles and I'm not really that great at covering them because I hate the way under eye concealer looks on me, so I'm hoping this works. Okay, so let me just go off camera. I'll actually put on like all my foundation and stuff, and then we'll come back because the rest of the products we have are eyes, eyebrows, cheeks. That's it. So let me do that and I'll be right back. All right, so let's move on to the next item in the box. This is for eyebrows. So this is from Cello Beauty. It's an eyebrow cream. And it says this is in the shade Tantalizing Taupe. So this is kind of like a dual-ended thing. So you have a eyebrow brush on this side, and then on this other side, you unscrew it, and inside is an eyebrow cream. This eyebrow brush seems like it's gonna be a little too fat for my liking, but I'm gonna give it a try. And worst comes to worst, I will grab another brush to finish off. So I don't hate it. Like I said, the brush is way too small for my brows, but that's just because I have wimpy, overplucked 90s brows. So for somebody with thicker brows, it might work just fine. I don't mind the product. I felt like it was really quick and easy to use, so that's nice. I am gonna just take my little ABH number 12 brush. I'm just gonna finish off the tail. Okay, I think that is as good as it's gonna get. It's obviously not gonna end up looking like natural brows on somebody like me who really doesn't have a lot of brow hairs. I kind of need that, like the pomade or something to draw the little strokes. I am just gonna comb a little bit of eyebrow gel through, just to help with a little definition since I have none. Moving right along to eyes, I got the palette in my box. I know that there were options for people to get different items. One was a palette and I think one was some kind of Tarte product. So I got the palette. I'm gonna be honest, when I saw the previews, I really was hoping I wouldn't get the palette, mostly just because I've got the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette. I have a lot of warm tone palettes and I just really didn't want another one. But when I actually looked at this, it was really pretty. So I actually don't mind that I got it. All right guys, so I did some really messy, really horrible swatches. I mostly was just wanting to see what the colors looked like for myself so that I could decide what to do, but then I figured maybe you'd like to see them too. So by no means are these great swatches, but I think it gives you a good idea of what the tones look like, and I will say the different metallic shimmer formulas in here are amazing. I have to put this one all over my eye because it is so, so beautiful. And I think the mattes are pretty too. I think we'll see how they work better with a brush. I think they probably will be fine. Some of them seemed a little bit like they might have some fallout, especially the darkest one, but we shall see. So let me just get into the eye look real quick. I'm just gonna zip right through it. Okay, don't you hate it when you end up with a giant wing on one side and you're forced to match it on the other side? I was not going for giant wing today. I actually thought about not doing a wing at all, and then I was like, oh no, I want to put lashes on, so I'll just do a little small wing because I also just completely forgot the box had mascara in it. So I'm gonna apply the mascara. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it because of the ginormous wing. I'll try to give you a close-up or something just to show you. So this is from Wander Beauty. This is the Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. So it's supposed to volumize, lengthen, strengthen, condition. So this is what the wand looks like. It's just a little curled wand. All right, so it's definitely pretty. I think that I would like it a lot for just an everyday mascara. I think just with this wing, it's not bold enough. I think I would really need lashes with a look like this, but I'll try to give you guys a close-up just so you can see what they look like. All right, well, for the sake of this video and the fact that it is supposed to be a mascara that I'm showing you, I'm not gonna add lashes. I went ahead and just kind of did a little second gentle curl over the top of the mascara. I feel like that helps a little bit. But yeah, like I said, this for me would be a nice, just kind of everyday mascara. I do like it. I think I will use it again, so. Let's move on to the last item in the box, which is a blush. This is from Note Cosmetics. It's the Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. I really like this compact. And that's what it looks like. I like just the style of it. And I love this kind of like peachy tone. It says Note in there. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, I do not like the smell of it though. Okay, that's a really pretty color, but it's super pigmented, very easy to go overboard with. I'm just gonna take a clean brush and blend over the top. Okay, not too bad. All right, so this is the completed look. Like I mentioned, I really did not want a big wing with this look. I just really wanted kind of like a fun, warm look. But you know, things happen. So as far as this eyeshadow palette goes, I feel like if you got the Tarte Toasted palette, then this would probably be completely worthless to you because I feel like it's a lot of the similar colors and tones. I have the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette, and my one complaint with that one was I wished that there were some more shimmers and like bright shimmers, and I love this tone right here and I really liked this one. So I'm happy I got this palette. I just still feel like you're gonna not be able to do so many different looks with it. You're kind of stuck with the same type of vibe, but this retailed for $29.99, the box was $21. So let's go through everything real quick. I will tell you prices since I forgot to tell you when I actually showed them to you, and then I'll give you the total. So we have the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage. This retails for $42. We have the Cella Beauty Eyebrow Cream. This retails for $26. The Crown Brush Fuego Eyeshadow Palette. This retails for $29.99. The Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara retails for $24. And last but not least, this Note Blush retails for $11.99. So overall, this box was around $133. I still think that is a fantastic deal. I definitely got some items in here that I really am going to enjoy using. I do think I will start using this as kind of like my everyday mascara to wear to work, so I'm happy about that. And I'm gonna give this whole Dr. Brandt under eye product a try to see if it really makes a difference, because like I said, I don't like to put concealer, like really heavy concealer under my eyes because they get really dry. So if I can help minimize the baggage and dark circles, I'm all for that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and try on. Don't forget to like it if you did, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.